Good morning. It's been a while. We met virtually, and in the previous classes, we finished in Newton's backward interpolation, Newton's forward interpolation, and also Newton's divided difference formula. Today, we shall study Lagrange's interpolation for unequal integrals. Here, the value of x need not be equally spaced, nor need they be in any order. You will be given a set of values here, like I'll write here. You will be given a set of values x, y. Here x takes values x0, x1, x2, and so on xn. Correspondingly, the values of y are denoted by y0, y1, y2, and so on yn. Here x need not be equally spaced. To apply Newton's forward or backward interpolation formula, x must be equally spaced. The distance between these 2 points must be same as this distance between these 2 points, equally spaced. Here, x need not be equally spaced. It may take any values. You will be asked to find the value of y for a given value of x, y of x. Find the value of y for a given value of x. And the formula is like this. Y is equal to, in the first term, x0 will not appear in the numerator. X minus x0. X is the value at which y is to be determined. X minus x1, x minus x2, and so on, x minus x1. And in the first term, x0 appears in the denominator. x0 minus x1. Just replace x by x0. x0 minus x1, x0 minus x2, and so on, x0 minus xn into y0 plus. And in the second term, x1 will not appear in the numerator. X minus x0, x minus x2, and so on, x minus xn divided by x1 now appears in the denominator. We just replace x by x1. x1 minus x0, x1 minus x2, and so on, x1 minus xn into y1. Similarly, we write n terms up to yn. Here, the value of x need not be equally spaced, nor need they be in any order. If you interchange x and y, if you write x here and y here, interchange x and y, the resultant formula is called inverse interpolation formula. Let's solve a few problems. You will come to know what actually this method is. Please note on this. First problem. Use Lagrange's interpolation formula to find f of 4. F of 4 or y of 4. In either ways, you can write that f of 4 or y of 4. Both are same notations. Here x takes values 0, 2, 3, 6. Clearly, x is unequally spaced. Distance between these two is 2 units, but the distance between these two is only 1 unit. And distance between these two is 3 units. X is unequally spaced. Therefore, we can use the Lagrange's interpolation formula. This is x0. This is y0. This is x1. This is y1. This is x2. And this is y2. This is x3. And this is y3. Now, write the formula up to y3. Y is equal to, and in the first term, x0 will not appear in the numerator, it appears in the denominator. X minus x1, x minus x2, x minus x3 divided by, now replace this x by x0. x0 minus x1, x0 minus x2, x0 minus x3 into corresponding y0. This will be the first term. Plus. And in the second term, x1 will not appear in the numerator. X minus x0, next x minus x2. x1 will not be in the numerator. X minus x0, x minus x2, x minus x3 divided by, now replace x by x1 and write the terms. x1 minus x0, x1 minus x2, x1 minus x3 into y1 plus next term. Here x2 will not appear in the numerator. X minus x1, sorry, x minus x0, x minus x1. Next term is directly x minus x3. No x2 is no x2 will appear in the numerator. Divided by, replace this x by x2 now. X2 minus x0, x2 minus x1, x2 minus x3 into y3 plus fourth term. Here x3 will not appear in the numerator. X minus x0, x minus x1, x minus x2. No x3 in the numerator. Divided by, replace this x by x3. x3 minus x0, x3 minus x1, x3 minus x2 into y3 up to y3. Now make these substitutions. This is equal to, this is a very simple method. X minus x0, x is the value at which y is to be determined, that is 4. X minus x1, x1 is 2. X minus x2, x2 is 3. X minus x3, x3 is 6. Whole divided by x0 minus x1, x0 is 0. 0 minus 2, 0 minus 3, 0 minus 6 into y0. Y0 is minus 4 plus. Now this term. X minus x0, x is 4 minus x0 is minus, I'm sorry, x0 is 0. 4 minus 0, 4 minus x2 is 3, 4 minus x3 is 6. This divided by x1 minus x0, x1 is 2. 2 minus 0, 2 minus 3, and 2 minus 6 into y1, and y1 is 2 plus. Now this time x minus x0, 4 minus 0, x minus x1, 4 minus 2, x minus x3, 4 minus 6. This divided by x2 minus x0, x2 is 3. 3 minus 0, 3 minus 2, 3 minus 6 into y2. y2 is 14 plus last term, this one, x minus x0, that is 4 minus 0, x0 is 0, x minus x1 is 4 minus 2, and x minus x2 is 4 minus 3. Whole divided by x3 minus x0, x3 is 6. 6 minus 0, 6 minus 2, 6 minus 3 into y3, and y3 is 158. Now take a calculator and simplify this and let me know the value of y. What's the answer? What is the answer? Do it fast. So simplify term by term. First simplify this first term, and then second, and then third, and then fourth. Do not take all the four terms together.
$40.2077.
40. 40, right.
40.
40 is correct answer. You can expect one problem of this kind in the second intervals. One. Use Lagrange's interpolation to find y of 11. Given that when x is equal to 2, y is 94.8. When x is equal to 5, 87.9. X is equal to 8, 81.3. X is equal to 4, 14, 68.7. This is x naught and this is y naught. X1, y1, and this is x2, y2, x3, y3. Sometimes this will go up to x6, y6 also. In such cases, you have to write the expression up to y6. Here it is up to y3. Substitute same formula we used in the previous problem. X minus x1, x minus x2, x minus x3 divided by x naught minus x1, x naught minus x2, x naught minus x3 into y naught. This is the first term. X is the value at which y is to be determined. It is 11. Therefore, 11 minus x1, x1 is 5. 11 minus x2, x2 is 8. 11 minus x3, x3 is 14. This is divided by x naught minus x1. X naught is 2. 2 minus 5. 2 minus 8. 2 minus 14 into y naught. What is y naught here? 94.8. This is y naught plus x minus x naught. 11 minus x naught is 2. X minus x2. x2 is 8. X minus x3. x3 is 14 whole divided by x1 minus x naught. x1 is 5. 5 minus 2. 5 minus 8. 5 minus 14 into y1. What's y1? 87.9. This is y1 plus x minus x naught. 11 minus 2. X minus x1. 11 minus 5. X minus x3. 11 minus 14. This divided by x2 minus x naught. 8 minus 5. X naught is 2. I'm sorry. 8 minus 2. 8 minus 5. 8 minus 14. Into y2. y2 is 81.3. Plus last term. X minus x naught. 11 minus 2. X minus x1. 11 minus 5. X minus x2. 11 minus 8. This divided by x3 minus x naught. That is 14 minus 2. 14 minus 5. 14 minus 8 into y3. y3 is 68.7. Simplify this.
$75.
75. Okay. What is the exact answer? It is approximate answer. 75.
74.925.
That's right. 74.925. This must be the correct answer. 74.925. Now mark your attendance in the chat box. One more problem. Use Lagrange's interpolation formula to find y when x is equal to 1.6. Given that when x is equal to 1.2, y is 1.36. When x is equal to 2.0, y is 0.58. When x is equal to 2.5, y is 0.34. When x is equal to 3, y is 0.2. Now you make the substitutions and simplify. This is x0 and this is corresponding y0. This is x1 and this is y1. This is x2 and this is y2. This is x3 and this is y3. Make the proper substitutions. 1 minute left. Do it fast.
1.025.
No.
1.45.
1.45. No, it is actually
0.8945.
0.8945. This must be correct. 0.8945. That's right. Point 8945. So please note down this problem. Try this one by yourselves at your home. If f of 1 is equal to 2, that is x naught is equal to 1 and y naught is equal to 2. X naught is equal to 1, y naught is equal to 2. Similarly, x1 is 2, y2 is 4. This is x3, y3. X naught, y naught, x1, y1,